our first conference is on research, innovation and benchmarking practices for sustainability management, which is going to held on 15th and 16th August, and there is no registration fees for this conference, which is going to organized by V Consultants Hyderabad. So our next conference, that is on education and development post COVID-19, which is going to held on 22nd August, and the last date for submission of abstract full paper is 20th August, and this conference is a paid one. So if you are a student or research scholar, you have to pay 200 rupees. If you are faculty, academician or you are from industry, so you have to pay 300 rupees, and which is going to organized by Lovely Professional University, Punjab, and the last date of fees submission is 21st August. So our next conference, that is on green technology and sustainable development, which is going to held on 24th July from 11 am to 2 pm, and the last date of registration is 22nd July by 5 pm, and there is no registration fees for this conference, which is going to organized by Jagannath University, Jaipur. So our next conference, that is on science of yogic breathing, which is going to held on 24th July from 4:30 pm onwards, and which is going to organized by Department of Zoology, Presidency College, Chennai. Our next conference is on nutrients acquisition by plants and plant-based remedies against viral diseases, which is going to held on 7th and 8th August, and the last date of registration without abstract is 25th July and with abstract is 31st July, which is going to organized by Internal Quality Assurance Cell, Nowgang College, Assam. So our next conference, that is actually International Web Conference, and that is the last one, and the topic is Advances in Textile Engineering and Technology, which is going to held on 23rd August, and the last date for abstract submission is 10th August. And in this conference you will be having two events basically. First one is paper presentation and second one is the poster presentation. Here I would like to mention one thing, that all the papers will be going to publish in the Journal of Textile and Clothing Science as well. Whatever the paper will get selected, they are going to be published in an edited book with ISBN. This conference is a paid one. So for paper presentation you have to pay 750 rupees, and for poster presentation you have to pay 300 rupees. And this conference is going to organized by Journal of Textile and Clothing Science. So friends, this is what all about conferences. Friends, I have mentioned registration link for all the conferences in the description box. You can register for these conferences. So finally friends, still if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel, share with your friends as well, press the bell button. So whenever we will upload our next video, you will get the notification. Thank you.